everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm taking you all for a short trip as I go through some of the oldest bakeries in Panjim city. I have selected 5 bakeries each. With me I have my sister Tanvi here who's going to help me and go record and everything. So guys, today I will be visiting 5 of the oldest bakeries in Panjim and I have kept a budget of 100 rupees per bakery. So let's see what I find in 100 rupees. The first bakery that I will be visiting is Mr. Baker 1922. Now this bakery was started in 1922 and is located at the Dr. Dada Vaidya Road opposite the Municipal Garden, Panjim, Goa. So this bakery specializes in traditional Goan sweets and savories. So right now I'm outside the bakery. Let's go inside and see what I can find in rupees 100. First up here I have the prawns rissoles. Let's try it. It's nice and creamy, well made. Yummy. Next up I have the chicken samosa. So as you can see, it's crunchy, well made. The filling inside is very tasty, savory. Just look at the layers, they are really very good. And finally here I have the shortbread jemmies. Very soft, buttery. It's not too heavy, very light. Jam on top is adding to its sweetness, so it's really good. The sweetness in the jam is nicely mixed well with this part.
I also tried this Kokum Sharbat Slushy, which was rupees 70, so the total came up to 150 rupees.
Alright guys, my next stop is one of the most famous bakeries in Panjim. I'm pretty sure you know what place it is, and it is Cafe Central. This place is located at Ishan Building at Dr. Pisulekar Road, Panjim, Goa. Now they are famous for their classic snacks and cakes. So let's go and see what we can find in 100 rupees at Cafe Central. So one more thing, Goans call it as Cafe Central and not Cafe Central because that's how it is. This bakery was started in 1933 and I'm very excited to show what you can find in that bakery. So yes, let's go inside and check it out. I got the parcel. As I said, I have kept 100 rupees for each bakery. This costed about 97 rupees and I shall put the rates of each thing that I try over here. So do check that out. So right, let's open this up and set it on a plate. Yes, I've got a plate from home guys, so that I can properly show you all. So yes, let's set this up. So I've finally set it up on a plate. Here it is. Let me just start by telling you what all I have on my plate. Starting with the classic mushroom samosa by Cafe Central. Here I have the paneer makhni puff. This is the, what is this?
Corn patties.
So this is the corn patties. Here I have the bakkam peda and maska pav. So let's start with the classic, that is their mushroom samosa. Now they also prepare rissoles, which is amazing, veg rissoles, but it's not available. It's currently 10:25 in the morning. So my breakfast here. Same taste since the last, I don't know, so many years. Amazing. And this is the only bakery that makes their filling of such color. So this is chili mushroom. Let's try the corn patties. Crispy, fresh, and the filling inside is sweet and spicy kind of. It has corn, onion tossed together and a very nice masala guys. Alright, let's move on to the paneer makhni. Now this makhni roll is a must try. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. The filling tastes like butter chicken, like it's amazing. So this is paneer makhni roll. The stuffing is paneer. Yum yum. Alright, let's move on to the sweet things on the plate. Let's try the bhakkam peda. It's not too sweet. It is dipped in sugar syrup, but it's not at all, not that sweet actually. It's really good level of sweetness. This basically is crispy outside and very soft and gooey and yummy inside. It's like basically a Goan gulab jamun. That's how it is. Now let's move on to the classic bun maska pav, and I need hot tea with this so that I can dip it inside the tea and eat it. It's really good. So let's try it out. The bun is so soft. There is a very nice sweet cream inside it. Alright, now that we are done with Cafe Central, let's move on to the next bakery. Alright guys, now it's time for the third bakery, and for the third bakery I have one of my most favorite bakeries in Goa, and that is Geeta Bakery. Now this bakery has been around Panjim since 1948. That's a long time. So this place is located at the Rua Heliodoro Salgado Panjim, near the police station. And this bakery and me have very fond memories. Now when I was little and I was going to school, my parents would sometimes pack me a tiffin from Geeta Bakery, as Geeta Bakery opens very early in the morning. My parents used to put me petis and a 5 rupee cake slice that you still get over here, and I hope I might find it today. So the people who are there, they have literally seen me grow up, and whenever I visit the bakery, they recognize me and my family, so that's a good thing. So yes, let's go and check out the place and get some treats. This parcel is from Geeta Bakery. Let's open it up. Alright, I have got the goodies from Geeta Bakery. Like wow, in 100 rupees. The total was how much? 90 rupees. So here I have the masala pav. This comes in a packet of 6, which costs about 40 rupees. 30 rupees. This is a slice of cake, as I told you all earlier, the tiffin thing. This is 5 rupees. This is a cupcake muffin, which is also 5 rupees. Next up, I have their egg patties, which is rupees 15. Then the veg samosa is how much? 8 rupees. And followed by all these cookies, which are 5 rupees each. I asked them to give me one cookie each, like their famous ones, so that I could, show them to you guys. It tastes amazing with tea or coffee. I've been having it since I don't know when. Since I was a small kid, I think. It's savory, spicy, tasty. If you ever visit Geeta Bakery, guys, you need to try out this pav. So the bread has onion, there is chilies inside it, coriander, and it is baked. It's very soft. You can see it. So I'm going to just tear off a piece and show you guys. Just look at it, so soft. Yum. Wet samosa. The best part is it's very hot, so it tastes even better. It's crispy, crunchy. The filling is potato, savory, onion. Geeta Bakery samosas are like lip smacking good. The patties, messy but good. So this patties has half boiled inside it. So guys, let's move on to the sweet things. Here I have the 5 rupee cake slice. The cake is soft. Unfortunately, I spoiled the cream. Here I have a muffin. It's a chocolate muffin which has some nuts on top. It has tutti frutti inside. Good cake. Let's move on to the Geeta Bakery's classic cookies. So guys, here I have their vanilla cookie. Basically, there are 2 cookies with cream stuffed inside it. And similarly, I have a chocolate cookie with cream stuffed inside it. So I asked him. He said that these cookies are the oldest cookies, along with this coconut one. They are like the oldest cookies. Then I have a cornflakes cookie over here. This one is as a cashew nut cookie, naan katai, and a banana cookie. Wow. So first up, let's try the coconut one. So fresh. Super fresh. They're very well baked and are very fresh. Super fresh. The chocolate. It has chocolate cream inside. Wow. The naan katai. Oh wow. This one. It's my favorite cornflakes one. Cashew nut. Oh wow. And finally the banana. It doesn't have a very banana flavor in it, but it's banana. One thing common about all these cookies is that they are very fresh, delicious, well made, and very tasty and yummy. You guys definitely need to try this out. Alright, let's move on to the next bakery, shall we?
Yes.
The next bakery that I have for y'all is Perfect Bakery, which is located just near Gita Bakery, the opposite side. It is located at the corner of Sunshine Building. They were started in 1971, and this year in December they are going to complete 50 amazing years. So congratulations to Perfect Bakery. It's literally one of our family's favorite bakeries. They are chicken patties, mutton patties, just wow, the prawn patties, the biscuits. So let's go to Perfect Bakery and let's get the things, and then I will show you guys. From Perfect Bakery, I got a chicken patties, a mutton patties, and a prawn patties. So the total over here came up to ₹90. I just want to open and show it to you guys because such type of filling you won't find anywhere else. It's a white sauce patties, and there are only a few actual foodies who like this patties. And my whole family is one of them. We love the Perfect patties. It's amazing. Taste is literally the same since I don't know how many years. They're completing 50. So this patties has chicken in white sauce, some chili flakes, onion, all it's all mashed together and baked. That's like amazing. Wow, green masala looks like. It is a bit spicy as compared to the chicken. Okay, it's a bit spicy as compared to the chicken. Okay, so the chicken is spice in the level of spices, it's not that spicy. It's good. So this patties has green chilies, onion, prawns. The spiciness level is amazing. Loved it, must try. Let's move on to the mutton patties. Now I'm not a big fan of mutton, but there are only certain things of mutton that I enjoy, and this happens to be one of them. Let's try it out. Oh my god, the flavors, they're so good. Wow, it's amazing. Like I've had this after a long time. Just wow. We are done with 4 bakeries now. It's time for the 5th bakery. Do you know which bakery I'm going to? If you know, let me know in the comment section below. It's again one of Goa's most famous bakeries in Panjim city. So yes, let's go there and check out that cafe. Let's go. But guys, before we go, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel. It's free and it will be a huge help to me. So yes. Alright guys, we have come to our 5th bakery, that is the 31st January bakery, also known as Confeitaria 31 de Janeiro. It is located at Corte de Oiteiro, Rua 31 de Janeiro, Fontenas, that is Mala. So guys, this place has been there since 1930. It is a traditional Goan bakery serving some of the best Goan sweets and savories which they prepare in their own wood fire oven. So guys, I went and I got this thing known as the glass cake, and what?
I think it is baked in a glass.
I guess it's baked in a glass, so that's why.
Shape.
It's known as a glass cake. And here I have prawns rissoles, chicken patties and prawns patties. So all of this came up to a total of 105 rupees, which went slightly above the budget. But anyways, let's open it up and let's taste it. Alright, also guys, I would like to apologize if you all cannot see me properly. Today it's very gloomy and rainy, so that's the reason there is no sun today at all. Let's try the prawns rissoles first. The filling is white sauce. There are prawns inside. It's not spicy, it's nice and creamy. Here I have this small cute little prawns patties. Let's try it out. It's nice. The filling is good. Medium spicy savory. Let's try the chicken patties now. Sorry, but it's not that fresh. Anyways, let's move on to the glass cake. I'm assuming they are making it in a glass, so that's the reason it's called a glass cake. This is good. So this is 50 rupees a packet. Nice. So guys, that brings us to the end of this lovely video as I go through the oldest bakeries in Panjim. If you think there is a bakery which I haven't visited or you think I should visit, like which is old and in Panjim, do let me know in the comment section below. Also do leave a like if you like this video, do leave a dislike if you did not like this video. Also guys, please do subscribe to my channel, it will be a big help from you. And yes, come back tomorrow for a new fresh video. Bye.